In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a cell color based on its value in Excel. This is a really useful technique when you want your data to be easier to read at a glance. For example, highlighting high numbers in green, low numbers in red, or drawing attention to anything that needs follow-up. To start, open your Excel file and make sure you're on the worksheet that contains the data you want to format. Take a moment to look at your data and decide which cells you actually want to apply this to. It's always better to be specific rather than selecting the entire sheet, because that keeps your file fast and tidy. Next, click and drag to select the range of cells you want to color automatically. This could be a single column, several rows, or even a block of data. Once your range is highlighted, go to the top of Excel and find the Home tab on the ribbon. Inside the Home tab, look for the section labeled Styles. In that section, you'll see an option called Conditional Formatting. This is the feature that tells Excel to change formats, like colors, based on the values in your cells. Click on Conditional Formatting, and a menu will appear with several choices. To keep things simple, we'll use one of the built-in rules. Hover over Highlight Cells, Rules or Top-Bottom Rules, depending on what you want to achieve. For example, if you want any value greater than a certain number to stand out, choose the option that says Greater Than. A small box will pop up asking for the value. Type in the number you want to use as your threshold. Then choose a formatting style from the drop-down, such as light red fill with dark red text, or green fill. You'll see a live preview right away in your selected cells. If it looks good, click OK to apply the rule. From now on, any value in that range that meets the condition you set will automatically change color, even if you edit or add new data later. If you want more control, go back to Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. From there, you can create rules based on more complex conditions, such as between two numbers, equal to a specific value, or even using a formula. When you're done, you can manage or remove any of these rules by returning to Conditional Formatting and choosing Manage Rules. That's all you need to start changing cell colors based on their values in Excel.